Want to know why some people succeed with money while others fail? It's simple, it's their money mindset. How your life unfolds is shaped by your beliefs about money, yourself, and the world. Every day, you have the potential to make financial decisions that will propel you forward or put you back. It's entirely up to you. You may have heard someone talk about the Ramsey money principles, such as making a monthly budget, living on less than you make, and not using debt to pay for things. But none of this matters if you don't believe it's feasible to live that way or aren't driven to do so. So many individuals put their finances on hold, assuming they'll wake up one day and be able to retire. Perhaps they intend to take their money more seriously in the future. Or perhaps they believe that rich people are the only ones who can win with money. If this describes you, you must change your mindset. Your parents won't be able to make you care. Your partner won't be able to make you care. I can't make you care, no matter how hard anyone tries. It is up to you to shift your mindset. The good news is that you absolutely can. Before we get started, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and have notification turned on so you can get notified of all our future uploads. What is money mindset? Your money mindset is a set of thoughts and attitudes about money that is unique to you. It influences the way you save, spend, and manage your finances. People with a positive financial outlook believe things like 1. I have the freedom to spend, but I can also tell myself no to a purchase. 2. I enjoy helping others who are struggling by giving generously. 3. I don't have to compare myself to others. 4. It's possible to achieve my financial goals. Your money mindset influences how you feel about debt, how you treat individuals who make more or less money than you, how readily you can contribute, and how confidently you can invest, among other things. How is your money mindset formed? Many things, like the psychology of money, have an impact on your money perspective. Obviously, your personal financial experiences will have a significant effect. Things like whether you worked part-time in high school, if you've been the recipient of charity, and how openly your parents discussed money when you were a kid. Consider the last one for a minute. Everything that occurs in your life is no longer the fault of your parents. But because more is caught than taught, the way your parents talked about money, or didn't talk about it, shaped your attitude toward money from an early age. Consider how money was managed in the household where you grew up to get a better understanding of the foundation for your money beliefs. If you're married, this can also assist you in resolving any money disputes you and your spouse may have. They most likely had a completely different experience than you, which means you're approaching the major, and sometimes emotive, topic of money from two distinct angles. The importance of understanding your money mindset. Henry Ford said, "Whether you believe you can do a thing or not, you are right." Ramsey Solutions did a survey of over 10,000 billionaires, and one of the most interesting findings for me was that 97% of millionaires believed they could become millionaires if they worked hard enough. They assumed they had control over the situation. They believed they were in charge of their own destiny. And it was this mindset, not an inheritance, a fancy education, or affluent parents, that enabled them to achieve success. This could apply to you as well. What you think will guide your actions, resulting in favorable outcomes. You do this without even recognizing it in other areas. Do you think it's vital to make your spouse feel special in your marriage? Or that you need to work to pay your rent? Or that Fridays are the best day of the week for pizza? Your actions will back up your beliefs. That implies you'll most likely text your spouse throughout the day, arrive on time at work, and make sure you get pepperoni at the grocery store by Thursday. How to change your mindset about money. 1. Read books that will influence your mind in a positive way. You'll be the same person in a year as you are today, except for the people you meet and the books you read, stated leadership speaker Charles Jones. Pick up a book if you want to give your brain a chance to evolve and grow. Here are a few of my personal faves in this category. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, Switch on Your Brain by Caroline Leaf, Love Your Life, not theirs, by yours truly. The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. You can find the title again in the description. 1. Think about your life up until now and ask yourself, what did I hear and see about money growing up? What's one thing my parents did with their money that I want to replicate? What's one thing my parents did with their money that I want to do differently? Write down your answers in a journal. What changes do you need to make? 3. Give away some money. Giving is the most enjoyable way to spend money. It's also a tried and true method for changing your money mindset. It shifts you from a selfish to a selfless mindset. I understand if you're nervous at first, or if you don't think I'm serious. Just give it a shot. Make a weekly commitment to return some money to a person or organization in need. 4. Dream about your retirement. Imagine your life in high definition in the future, and use it as incentive while you plan for retirement today. If you can see your dream in every detail, if you can fix your eyes on it, says my friend, best-selling author Chris Hogan, then I know you can muster the effort you need to hit your numbers. By the way, having a vision for your retirement is still incredibly motivating if you're still in debt or don't have an emergency fund. Take that dream and use it to fuel your desire to reach a point where you can invest even more quickly. 5. Have the belief that success is possible for you. You have the power to make your own success, regardless of your ethnicity, religion, or financial level, or, to use some deep, philosophical lyrics from the Backstreet Boys, I don't care who you are, where you're from, what you did. Some people's stories have more challenges than others, but believing is the first step. Your actions will reflect your beliefs, making it simpler to maintain healthy behaviors. And as time passes, your entire outlook will improve. You can change your money mindset. You're free to go now. This mindset stuff isn't just wishful thinking, it's holy. Galatians 6:7, NIV, says, a man reaps what he sows. As Earl Nightingale says in The Strangest Secret, we become what we think about. That's exactly why changing your mindset about money actually has the power to change the trajectory of your life. So I want you to be so pumped up that nothing or no one will be able to stop you. Then I want you to concentrate on the things you have control over. These are the practices that will help you pay off debt and accumulate wealth so that you don't give up. Choose the topic of the next video. Tell me in the comment what you want the next video to be about. I hope you enjoy this video. If so, then make sure to like, subscribe and share to see more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.